Oil spills have been one of the major contributing factors to climate change since 1969. Conservatively, researchers estimate that roughly 1,500 liters of gasoline are spilled at a typical gas station each decade. With all the gas stations in Kelowna, there's over 3,000 liters of gasoline spilled every year. Oil spills can affect the environment by killing surface-dwelling animals and birds by poisoning or suffocation, as well as affecting buoyancy and natural waterproofing.
After a lot of planning and designing, we came up with a simple prototype to minimize the spillage at gas pumps. Majority of the people at gas stations don't care about the excess gas that spills out of the pump after filling your vehicle, which sometimes can be a little amount, but it can also be a lot sometimes. Introducing to you the Gas Pal. This product simply attaches to the gas pump to catch the excess gas while filling your vehicle.
To install the gas pal is a screwdriver and knowing how to use hose clamps.
First, clamp the hose to the bottom of the bucket via an adapter, then use a large hose clamp to attach the rest of the assembly to the nozzle.
Filling up your vehicle with the gas pal is very easy. It is almost as if it isn't even there. As you insert the pump, the gas pal will roll down the side of the vehicle and then retract when the pump is taken out. If the pump is taken out of the vehicle, the gas pal will retract upwards and catch the gas that spills out and drain via the tube attached to the bottom and back of the bucket into any container that is on hand. In this animation, you can see how the pivot and the wheels work together. The simple design of the bucket structure allows it to minimize the amount of gas that leaks out of the pump as the pump is removed from the vehicle. And then it drains into the back of here and then drains into whatever container that you have set up.
The square pin connects the lower arm to the bucket and provides the structure with stability and support.
My part was the upper arm. It has a slot through which the hose clamp can go through to connect to the pump, as well as a little hook here so that the spring can stay attached so that it can push itself back into place.
So the circular pin allows the lower and upper arm to connect and pivot, and because of the straightforward design of this, this assembly is very straightforward.
So for my part, I designed the wheels. And on the inside, they're 22 millimeters in diameter, which allows for us to slip a small bearing inside of them. And then they will connect on the outside of these pins left by Caleb's bucket. And this way, when it's attached to the nozzle and pressed up against the vehicle for the nozzle to slip into the gas port, they will slide down the vehicle. And there's a protective layer on the outside to prevent damage to the paint so that they're able to move freely with just enough friction to slide down. And on the way back up, the spring pulls it back up and it will roll back up the vehicle. And then we pull it away, leaving no damage.
The gas pal was designed for gas stations to buy and leave attached to the pumps. With some further funding and modifications, we believe that the gas pal can be 100% efficient at its job, therefore eliminating gas bills and expenses on cleaning them up. We hope to see the gas pal at every gas station in Kelowna.